Hi, my name is Brianna Plefka, and for my city project, I chose to do Miami, Florida. Now, this is just a view of the globe, and now we're going to zoom in, and I'm going to show you North America, which is where Miami, Florida is located. And then now we're going to go to the southeast portion of the United States, which is where Miami is located. And now we're going to look at some of the states that I loaded over here, and some of the states that the Southeast consists of are Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, North and South Carolina, and Tennessee. Plus, you can include Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. And then now we're going to take a look at Miami-Dade County, which is the county that Miami is located in. Miami is located in the southeast portion of the county, and it actually is the most populous county in Florida. And then now we're going to show a wide area of just the Miami area, so you can get a closer look. And this Miami has a north and south side to it, as you can see. North Miami is over here. And South Miami is down over here. And then now, this just shows you the North and South Miami again, so you could see clearer. And then now we're going to go to downtown Miami, which is an urban city that's based around the central business district of Miami. And it also consists of the Brickell Financial District, the Historic District, the Government Center, Arts and Entertainment District, and Park West. And the neighborhood is divided by the Miami River, which I can't see, I don't have my glasses. The Miami River flows over here. Is that what I'm using? The Miami River is over here, which I'll talk about later. Next one, please. I was saying the neighborhood is divided by the Miami River, which is bordered by Midtown. And then now we're going to look at Port Miami. Port Miami is a major seaport that's located in Biscayne Bay. It is the largest passenger port in the world and one of the largest cargo ports in the United States, which I thought is very cool. And then next we're going to show the Miami Tower, which is very pretty. It's a 47-story landmark, which is an office skyscraper now. It stands at 625 feet tall, or high, and is well known for its elaborate nighttime illuminations, like I showed in the picture. And it's a very dramatic 3-tier glass, as you can see. And this building actually consists of 2 separate structures, one being a parking garage that's owned by the city, and the second is an office tower. Okay. And now this is the Miami River, which is a river in Miami, Florida that drains out the Everglades and runs through the city of Miami. And the river actually is 5.5 miles long and flows from the Miami Canal at the Miami International Airport to Biscayne Bay. And lastly, I wanted to show you South Beach, Miami, because why else does everyone go to Miami? Everyone wants to go to the beach. The white sand beaches stretch from 2.2 miles long. As you can see, they have beautiful crystal blue water, white sandy beaches. And that's pretty much it. Thanks.